Hello, hello, everyone. Welcome to the Learn English Channel podcast. My name is Jen, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Carlos. Thank you for joining us today. This podcast is made especially for you, international students, beginners, and anyone who wants to learn English in a simple and fun way.
Exactly. Here, you'll learn English by listening, repeating, and enjoying real conversations.
And don't worry, we keep everything easy, friendly, and clear. You can relax, have fun, and learn step by step.
So stay with us until the end. We promise you'll learn new words, new phrases, and feel more confident speaking English.
Get ready, take a deep breath, smile, and let's learn English together.
Let's start the episode. Audio.
Today, we have a super useful topic, my daily routine in English.
Yes, learning how to talk about your daily routine is very important because you can use it at school, at work, in English class, in interviews, and in basic conversation.
So relax, listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. Let's begin.
Part 1. Basic daily routine vocabulary. Let's start with easy daily routine words. Repeat after me. Wake up. Get up. Brush my teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Go to school. Have lunch. Take a break. Come home. Cook dinner. Watch TV. Study English. Go to bed. Sleep.
Great job. Now let's explain a few. Wake up, when your eyes open. Get up, when you leave the bed. Get dressed, put on clothes. Take a break, stop work for a short time. Go to bed, go to sleep.
Part 2. Jen's daily routine. Simple story. Okay, Jen, can you tell us about your daily routine? Of course. Here is my simple daily routine in easy English. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get up and brush my teeth. Then I take a shower and get dressed. I eat breakfast, usually coffee and toast. After breakfast, I start work. I teach English classes in the morning. At 12 p.m., I have lunch. In the afternoon, I continue teaching. After work, I go for a walk. In the evening, I cook dinner and spend time with my family. At night, I watch a little TV, I read a book, and finally, I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Very nice. Simple, clear, natural English. Part 3. Breaking down vocabulary. Let's look at some important words from Jen's routine. Morning, from sunrise until noon. Afternoon, from 12 p.m. to around 5 p.m. Evening, from 5 p.m. to around 9 p.m. Night, after 9 p.m.
Repeat these with us. Morning. Afternoon. Evening. Night. Great.
Part 4. Carlos's daily routine. Very simple.
Now it's your turn, Carlos. Tell us your routine.
Here is my daily routine. Very simple. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I get up, brush my teeth, and take a shower. Then I make breakfast. I usually eat eggs and drink juice. After breakfast, I start working. I record, edit, and prepare our episodes. At 1 p.m., I have lunch. In the afternoon, I study English and work on new ideas. In the evening, I relax, watch videos, and talk to my family. At night, I read or listen to music. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Perfect. Very easy to understand.
Part 5. Useful sentence structures.
Now, let's teach you how to build your own sentences. I wake up at. I eat. I go to. I start. I finish. I like to. I usually. Sometimes I. At night I.
These sentence frames help you talk about your entire day.
For example, I wake up at 8. I usually drink coffee. I go to work at 9. I finish at 5. At night I study English.
Part 6. Role play. Daily routine conversation. Let's create a simple conversation between two people talking about their daily routines.
Daily routine dialogue. Hi, Carlos. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. And you?
I wake up at 7. What do you do in the morning?
I take a shower and eat breakfast. What about you?
I drink coffee and get ready for work.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I teach English. And you?
I work on the podcast.
And what do you do at night?
I relax, watch TV, and study English.
Part 7. Daily routine questions. Here are common questions people ask. What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? What time do you have lunch? What do you do after work? What time do you go to bed?
These are super common in English classes and small talk.
Part 8. Listen and repeat practice. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I work in the afternoon. I relax at night. I go to bed at 10.
Great job. Part 9. Create your own daily routine. Guided practice.
Now, let's help you build your own routine. Answer these slowly. What time do you wake up? What do you do after you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you do in the afternoon? What do you do in the evening? What time do you go to bed?
Say your answers out loud. Speaking helps your English grow faster.
Part 10. Extra vocabulary. Here are more daily routine actions. Make the bed. Clean the house. Drive to work. Take the bus. Go for a run. Exercise. Do homework. Prepare dinner. Talk to friends. Check emails. Listen to music. Walk the dog.
All simple and useful.
Part 11. Long story. Listening practice. Now, listen to a longer and very easy story about someone's daily routine.
And try to understand as much as you can. The story. Anna's day. Anna wakes up at 7 a.m. She gets up, brushes her teeth, and takes a shower. Then she gets dressed and eats breakfast. She usually eats fruit and drinks tea. At 8 a.m., she goes to work. She works in an office. She answers emails, talks to people, and uses the computer. At 12 p.m., she has lunch with her friends. In the afternoon, she continues working. At 5 p.m., she finishes work and goes home. In the evening, she cooks dinner and watches TV. Sometimes she reads a book. She goes to bed at 10 p.m.
Part 12. Vocabulary Review. Wake up, get up, brush teeth, take shower, eat breakfast, go to work, have lunch, finish work, cook dinner, relax.
Repeat them again for practice.
Great job! You finished episode 5 of the Learn English Channel podcast.
We hope this helps you talk about your daily routine in simple English.
Remember, practice every day. Even 5 minutes helps a lot.
Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye!